Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can search other drives from Windows Search on Windows 10. Open Windows Search and look for indexing options. And you want to select this control panel result here. Once the indexing options are open, you have to click Modify down here and you get this new window with the different locations that are indexed. And you'll see that your D drive or any external drives are not selected for indexing. So all you need to do is select them here and then click OK. And it's going to start indexing them. And because it's indexing a whole lot of files at once, it's going to slow down for a while, but once the indexing is done, it's going to return to its normal speed. Now, if you want to index an entire drive, but you would like to exclude certain folders from it, what you can do is, you can return to this indexing location window here and expand your drive and just uncheck the folders that you do not want to index. Click OK and Windows Search will purge it from its index. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.